Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to renew your Florida real estate license. So to get started, make sure you complete the education required for your renewal period. So for your first renewal, sales associate must complete 45 hours of post-licensing education, while brokers must complete 60 hours. So after your first renewal, both sales associates and brokers are required to complete 14 hours of SEC approved continuing education. So once your education is complete, visit the Florida DBPR website, and from there submit your renewal application and pay the required renewal fee. So Florida real estate licenses usually expire on either March 31 or September 30. So be sure to check your license status and expiration date ahead of time. It is also important to make sure that your completed course is reported before the deadline. And if you miss the renewal deadline, your license may be inactive, which means you will not be allowed to legally perform real estate services until it is renewed. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.